Your sneeze guard is going to arrive to you in a flat form, and it will have two score lines where you're going to bend it. So it's a pretty easy process. All you're doing is putting your hand on one area, pulling up the side, and kind of just folding it. Repeat on the opposite side. And you can make it so it's 90 degrees, or if you've got a little bit more room in your desk and you want to have it go out a little bit, you can bend it a little bit. That's about all you got to do, and you'll be ready to go.